Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can get main info about file in Mac OS X. So for doing this you just need to choose file you want to get info and just click with two fingers on this file and here you will see get info. So just click here and here you will see main info of file. This is path to this file, color, space because it's image, dimensions, kind that it's patch image, size, where it's located, and so you will find this info. Or another way you can get info, you click with two fingers here and choose quick look, and here you will see we will open this file. We will not see info about this file, so we can only use this one way. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.